excited to make your own homemade Nutella and Ferrero Rocher chocolates.
For this, what I'm going to need is about 100 grams of hazelnut. After that, we will be using about 20 grams of caster sugar, about 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. This is a very simple recipe and I think you must do this thing for your Diwali sweets. Or you have to blend this. Just have a look at the consistency. It is so good. So these are vapor shells. Okay, so after filling all the shells, I'm taking roasted hazelnuts. It's just that you have to use the melted chocolate immediately and close the cavity from the side. Pop this chocolate. Now, does this really look like a Ferrero Rocher chocolate?